Diwali is here and we cannot contain our excitement. The Diwali is not just a festival, it is when friends and family come together and celebrate. Today we're here in one of our Design Cafe homes, and if you do not have time for this elaborate affair, we have made it easy for you by having Abhinaya from the Yellow Dwelling over to help us with last minute decor ideas.
Hi, I'm Abhinaya, co-founder of the Yellow Dwelling. We are a decor brand specializing in contemporary and natural fiber furnishing. Today we're so excited to be part of this collaboration with DesignCafe, and we are going to be styling this space. We are going to be using products from our latest collection, the Oasis, and along the way we'll be sharing some tips.
Well, we can't wait to see what's in store for us. Let's get going.
We have started out by layering cushions of different sizes. Working backwards, we've started with the larger sized cushions with 20 and 18 inch on each side. In the center, we have smaller cushions as fillers. This sort of layering works when the sofa depth is more and it's also much comfortable to sit. Finally, add a throw, messier the better, and a basket with some fairy lights for decor. Now the table setup is fairly simple with more fairy lights, some flowers, sweets of course, and pretty candles to light it all up. And voila! The living room setup is complete.
Well, there you go. Decoration doesn't always have to be elaborate. It could be the little things like changing cushion covers, your curtains, and more to make your house look festive. We're here with the Yellow Dwelling, the decor brand, to set up your dining table in an elegant yet simple way.
We're starting off the dining table setup with a table runner in the center. We're adding the most trending rattan placemats for the plates. To keep napkin in place, we've used macrame napkin rings from the Yellow Dwelling and pinched in a marigold for the festive look. Sustainable coasters with glasses, a centerpiece with pampas grass, rustic candle stand, and oh wait, how can we forget the fairy light? There you go. Effortlessly scattering some marigolds on the table. Lastly, the woven cotton throw to match our Nile blue curtain, and it's done.
This all-white dining table setup with pops of marigold here and there is so simple yet stunning. I barely have the heart to disturb it when the guests arrive. Now, a bedroom is a very intimate area and it does not require too much decking up, but it's always nice if we can make our bedroom look nice and presentable. Well, today we have Rashi from the Yellow Dwelling to help us make our bedroom look nice for our guests this Diwali.
We're starting off the bedroom setup with two large 24-inch corn yellow cushion. Now remember the layering trick from the sofa setup? Well, that's exactly what we're doing here by pairing multiple cushions of different sizes in different patterns, but make sure that there's one common color, like here it is yellow, so that everything blends well. Now to contrast the yellow, we have this pastel Nile blue cotton throw and our favorite, marigolds of course. The bedside table is adorned with fairy lights and tea lights in golden stand. Now a bedside table is incomplete without some books and some fresh flowers.
Well, there you go. All we've done is change the sheets, added some bright colored cushions and a pop of color with this throw right here. Well, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and also show us some love. This Diwali, if you deck up your homes, do tag us in all your pictures and we'll repost it for you. Until next time, have a safe and a happy Diwali to all of you.